Today, I will introduce a very interesting thing to everyone. The broadcaster magically transformed a 100-inch projection screen in his small home. Now let's see how he did it. He walked into this small room with his school bag. The walls are full of bookshelves. He took out a folded package. This is a folding projection screen and a bunch of poles. Well, the border seems to be combined with this combination rod. The frame was soon assembled. Then he found a rope that he had prepared and put it on the curtain rod in the room. The projection screen is two-tone, black on the back and gray on the front. I think it's called silver gray. Soon the pole was inserted into the middle of the curtain. Okay, 4 points are fixed. Basically the curtain is up, but we can see it's still a little uneven underneath. Continue to assemble the frame. A total of 5 poles form the bottom border, which is inserted inside the black border of the projection screen. Well, it's an interesting design. Well, it's a lot smoother, the wrinkles are a lot less, and the side frame is a combination of 3 rods. Fix it up and down, the wrinkles on the left have disappeared, now add the border on the right. The border on the right is silver, and if you look at the color of the curtain and the color of the wall, the curtain is light gray, I should say light gray. Very smooth, no wrinkles. The projection looks good, but it should be light gray. This kind of screen is very helpful for improving contrast and color saturation. We can see that this is supposed to be an LED projector, and he turns on the restaurant lights. The fan light should be on and the main light in the living room should be off, so you can step back and see the panorama. The overall color is good, as is the contrast. This time should be turned on the headlight, the living room headlight turned on. It's going to be a little grainy, but it's going to be okay. So let's look at the viewing angle. The viewing angle is also good, the color is very uniform, the viewing angle is very large. This projector is still very good. We saw that the food and the people were great. The point is that he has a very convenient installation process, where there are 2 hanging points or 4 fixed points where the curtain can be hung right.